Hey friends, if you wish to fix input-output device error for external hard drive on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to simply restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Next one is to try an alternate port. Like if you connected to one port on your computer, then try another USB port. The third solution is to update the drivers. Which drivers? I'll show you. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for disk drives. You'll find the driver for the external hard drive and select Update Drivers. And lastly, also update USB drivers. All the root hub ones. I'll show you for one. You can update all the root hub drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.